How to find IMEI number on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find IMEI number on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find here about phone, and here we'll find it IMEI, and you can change it, and that's it. Or you can just type it here about and then click on it. It's easy, and that's it. And as you see, that's how to find the IMEI on your Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.